Yo, what's good? It's your boy Mari here with another video. So on this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to recover from a losing account. So this account, I partnered with somebody, and I put $700 in here, and so I've been trading. I was up some profit. I was up like 150. Then I may post this video, but a video in the past I was showing my no, actually no, I didn't record that. But basically I was showing my homeboy how to trade, and on my first account we did good, and then we went over to the second account and I got distracted, looked away, did something, came back and just started clicking, and I lost the trade. I lost multiple trades. I had lost all four, so I had lost a bunch of money. And then the second time I got distracted again. Somebody called me. I looked at the phone, picked up, told him I'll call him back, but I still picked up, told him I'll call him back, went back to trading, lost again. I think I recorded that video. I should post it. You may see it. If you're watching this video, I probably posted it already. So hopefully we'll see. But yeah, basically, anyway, that's all that was going on. So I kept building the account all the way back up, which was recently. I built it back to 700, 690, and I lost again. So now, long story short, we down 319 in the account. So it was $700 in here. Now we down to 380. So this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to stay calm and build your account back up. Basically, almost 50%, down near 50% down in this account. But it's okay. We're gonna build it all the way back up. I'm just gonna show you how. The video ain't gonna be long. How do you build an account back up? Step number 1. Stick to your strategy. I've been losing not because my strategy don't work. It's because I've been getting distracted. So I gotta stay locked in. Don't get distracted. Do what I do. You feel me? That's all. That's all. Just don't get distracted. Do what you do. That's it. That's all, man. So yeah, that's what we gonna do actually. So we just gonna stick to our strategy, same old strategy. Limited trades. If I lose 3 in a row, I'm done. If I win 3 in a row, if I lose two in a row, I'm done. If I win 3 in a row, I'm done. Just stick to it. Risk a small amount. 10% of 380 is 38. Half of 38 is like 18 or something like that, 17. I don't know. We just gonna do 15, like half of 30, 15. And then half of 15 is like 14.50. So half of 15 is like 7.50. I'm sorry, trip. So we gonna do $7, 2.5% around that range per trade. We starting off small, but we gonna slowly climb the ladder. And it's no time frame of how fast I'm building it back up. It's really, I got to the end of the year. So, because we trained this account the whole full 12 months. So, at the end of the year, we'll see where the account at, and hopefully it's more than what I invested. Hopefully double at the minimum. If I don't, I put 700 in there. At the end of the year, if it ain't 2,000 at the least, really, I ain't gonna lie, 4,000. It ain't 4,000 at the least. I disappointed myself, honestly. At the least, like. Come on, bro. I'm like that. I gotta, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, anyways, we back at it, bro. Let me cut that on. Cut some Huncho Tay on, you feel me? No, that's my train music, you feel me? Now we just looking for a good setup.
I play the fool. Can't speak on none of this shit going through my head, just trying to play it cool. I gotta go and need a month. My head, the one gon' see me twice now. Say for the night, it's on the right, might not remember. Hope you ain't here just for attention. Think I can feel the tension. So much you really live for. No, I'm on drugs for real, I really looked up. Every time's a ball, every day. Still gotta watch the car. Now they just leave it out the fate. When I try to see if I fall, on the move till I ain't walk. Stuck in my way, ain't come up out of it. No bending tight, speak on shit that I done. I don't want no company, all I do, keep it flat. Get behind, I do the dash, come on, say it. Come on. I don't think I need me no company. Bitch, I stay away, I see the mind games and the plan. Gotta keep my focus and I stick right to the plan. Can't go out what you say, I'd rather see it how you plan. Walk around for the low to see the hate by many men. Don't think no way I make a man, no. I take my chances all in. My dick ain't answer none no call, no. I know that money can make me move, without no money ain't no motion. Got that problem solving with me, try to move, then I'ma show you. I'm too locked in, I'm in my mode, you can't even tell me when I'm focused. They hit my flip when you got money moves, I got trust to put you on. No, either way, we been through hella shit, I still can't leave you alone. Got hella snakes up in my grass, I wanna move and I load them up. I keep them around, might keep them close, they laying low to kill the mice. Either way it go, they like we chose, it come and sacrifice. And if you know, get back for sure, we can hit the road tonight. Got a crazy way of living, I can't stand to live this shit twice. I won't talk about my feelings, I rather post shit up over ice. You tryna make sure that you happy, I'm tryna make sure I live right. Won't play the fool I did before. I peeped the game, I play a role. I did the car, still had it hard. Pick up my chin, can't be the road. Don't want no law and art. A couple bad, make sure I spread. Make money, move with the plague and bigger hair. I can get away to Florida.
Okay, who won the first one? Won the first one. And look, I'll delete. If it fall down lower, I'll take that one too. But we finna look for something else. Ooh. I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about it. It's really about that time, honestly. Yeah. It's really about that time. And I really don't have nowhere else to back test.
I ain't never trippin', I just play it cool. Can't let them get up in my space, ain't got no legs. Ever tried to cross me, then just hope you know you dead soon. Might as well take that risk on diving head first. Gotta keep the fire on me, you know I'm never nervous. Never know they want for me to fall, know they open. Me versus me and them other eyes. Pouring my heart out on the mic, I hope you saw it. Don't think I ever let my guard down. Doing my bitch when play these cards right. Can't wrap my head around this shit, feel it don't sound right. How they done left me here for dead. Think I can do it on my own. Tryna see how long that money spread. Tryna stay ahead. Tryna clear these thoughts by my head. I'm out here flowing right with the cloud. Saying you with me, knowing you ain't knowing it live. Can't pull your weight, I'm starting to think I'm on no time. I ain't never trippin', I just play it cool. Can't let them get up in my space, ain't got no legs. Ever try to cross me, then just hope you know you dead.
That was a close one, we got it. It's 2 in a row. One more.
Too crazy if you can't handle the truth. Crazy mind, we thinking like don't play with me, won't play with you. Had to play it twice, I rolled the dice, my life was in that pot. I can't stand the heat, won't fake the kid, gotta watch you if you plot. Gotta get the fuck up out my kitchen if you sweat when it get hot. Purchase got me itching my finger, twitching, I'm rapping with my God. Say I'm crazy, but it's true. I can speak on what I did, but I'ma tell you what I do. I'ma live a fact and prove and speak the truth. I ain't never trippin', I just play it cool. Can't let them get up in my space, ain't got no legs. Ever try to cross me, then just hope you know you dead too. Might as well take that risk on diving head first. Gotta keep the fire on me, you know I'm never nervous. Never know they want for me to fall, know they open. Me versus me and them other eyes. Pouring my heart out on the mic, I hope you saw it.
This one gonna be a little tricky, but ain't nothing we can't handle, you feel me? gonna be a little tricky, but I'm a motherfucking vet. I know what I'm doing. I'm a motherfucking vet. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I'm a motherfucking army vet. I know what I'm doing, bitch. I'm a trading vet. I know what I'm doing. Not really. I was about to say, I pressed. Oh, and the reason I took that first trade right there, because I would have entered at that first one right here, but since we was past it, I just went ahead and took it. So it really would have been for that one, and I'm probably finna lose it, but that's okay, because we took this second one. So let's hope it wins. If it don't, I'm gonna take that third one right there.
She sound like a dirty Diana. My try to flip with a cannon. We done, won't see me out to try to give them all I got.
I can't dance.
Let's make a move, no camera. Anywhere you go, you say with me. We just be vibing like the blunt get high and tell me what you see. Sound like Diana. She can play my mind on Michael Jackson leaning. Punching in up in the yo. Trying to find out what my reason. Your love you walk, won't play my heart. You see
got
me,
the dub.
say you ain't seen. Need a couple M's to fix my pain. And after that,
cool.
I'm overseas. Let me hold.
So, sure, yeah, that's it for today. You see the strategy working, bouncing right off the lines perfectly, catching the reversals. Like I said, the strategy works. Like, the strategy work. It just can't be distracted. Got to be locked in. You feel me? And stick to it. And it takes practice. It took me years of practice, so I'm like that. You know what I mean? Not to be like cocky or arrogant or nothing, but it's just when you put so much time into something, you gonna get confident, bro. You really, when you like that, you like that. But I'm gonna see, we up to 400. We was down to 380, so it wasn't much, just $20 or $14, whatever. Wait, let's see. Yeah, it wasn't much, like $12 profit. I don't think they're right, cause we took 4 trades. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, they tripping, but it like $19 profit, something like that. But anyway, we just gonna slowly but surely, over time, slowly increase back to the 700 mark, and we go up to the profit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's it for today's video. Like, comment, subscribe. Any questions? Oh, no. My bad. I'm tripping. Join the Discord. I got a Discord that's free for now. And when it hit a certain amount of members and a certain amount of people in that chat make a certain amount of money, I got a number in my head. I want at least 10 minimum. It's gonna be easy. 10 of y'all if y'all actually do what I'm telling y'all to do, y'all gonna make it. But if 10 of y'all make this certain amount of money in my head, I'ma charge. I'm gonna start charging. But if you already in there, it's free. But for anybody new, you know what I'm saying, they gonna have to pay. So yeah, bro. But let's get to this money. All 2025, dog. All right, I'm out.